Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to Big Bo's Reviews, and this is Xtel Man. Just gonna show you another one of this. Is the sledgehammer work is what it's called, and the sledgehammer, which is the Italian Gelato, 2.5 in 2.5 grams. Cheers. It's good stuff. I just need to do something. I need to get some more cards for you guys. Actually, yeah. It's good. I like it. Let's get you high. I'm already high from earlier. Because I've done this one earlier on my main channel, Barbara Lindsay's channel. Subscribe to that, check it out, and subscribe to this one, Xtel Man. Man, there's a coffee coming. Cheers. And anyways, it's really good. It just has a little bit of aftertaste. It's not very the greatest. It's good to get you high. Does the job. But the oil is not very good oil. I mean, it's like more vape oil, juice oil, whatever you want to call that, vape nicotine type deal. But it ain't. It's legit, but the oil is not really that thick at all, which is kind of a good thing, because if it was really thick, it would get clogged up here and you barely can get it out. So, pretty good thing. Cheers. Oh, yeah. Anyways, I have some newer stuff coming up. Fast as I can get it done. But on my my main channel's got most of the videos, because it goes everything in my life, not just this or reviews. So if you want to look at more of that, I do game videos on the other ones and songs and whatever, whatnot. It's craziness. Cheers, guys. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Well, guys, I think that's going to be the video. See you guys. Subscribe to Xtel Man. Peace.